Hello again everyone. By the end of this session, you should know how gravitational and electric fields affect the movement of masses and charges. We should be able to explain this information and explain the movement of satellites and planets in a gravitational field and how charged particles behave in an electric field. And you should understand the reason for putting different satellites in different orbits and how an electron beam behaves in a cathode ray oscilloscope. Right, let's go. If we look at how a mass behaves in a gravitational field, then we all instinctively understand what's happening. Try this in your class. Roll up a piece of paper and throw it to someone, not at someone, to see if they can catch it. You instinctively know the path the paper is going to take and can position your hands to catch it. You would obviously be quite surprised, and rightly so, if this happened. The reason this doesn't happen is that gravity is an attractive force only. If we now consider a charged particle in an electric field, things become slightly more complicated, but only slightly. You can see from the film that the water is attracted to the ruler, so we can say two things. The water is charged and the ruler has the opposite charge to the water. We know this because the water moves towards the ruler. If the ruler and the water had the same charge, then the water would arc away from the ruler. Now we need to consider the factors that affect the movement of both a mass and a charged particle through a field. Discuss amongst yourselves what you think these factors are and list them before moving on to the next slide.